Hey guys, welcome to another edition of my Diamond Painting Diaries series. I have on my faux diamonds, so we are going to be talking about diamond paintings. So in this video, I'm going to be painting Snoopy. I wanted to show you the two kits that I'll be working on and just how they look, what's in the packaging. So in this first kit here, I think I'm going to start with this one, which is just Snoopy with the ice cream cone. It includes the stylus, the tray, the wax, 4 bags of gems, and I guess a stand. This was from Five Below for only $5, and I'm pretty sure my local Five Below had a ton of these still in there. They also have a strawberry shortcake one if you're into her. And so you get the standard kit here. You get really only 4 colors, which is just so good for me, someone like me who doesn't like a lot of complication. So you only get 4 colors, numbered 1 through 4, and they're numbered 1 through 4 on the stand. And when you finish little Snoop, he will hopefully stand on the stand if I can get him to do so. Let's see, y'all. I don't know. I'm having some trouble. Oh, I had it backwards. Okay. This is how Snoopy will stand, okay? So I could add him to my windowsill. I'm not a huge Snoopy fan. I don't have nothing against Peanuts specifically, but I don't just buy a lot of Snoopy. I do like Woodstock in this puppy coat. I really only purchased the sticker pack because on the site there was a big like Woodstock stand that was sold out. I think that one was on Diamond Art Club. This sticker pack was purchased from Diamond Dots, but I wanted the big Woodstock in the puffy coat like stand, and it's sold out. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in a journal. I'm gonna glue this and put this in a journal because I don't care about Snoopy enough to stand him up anywhere. But this will be quick and easy before and after work today. Well, not today, but whenever I get to it this week. And I will show you how that turns out. So we're going to start with Snoopy. And then this kit from Diamond Dots. So this first Snoopy kit, again, is at Five Below. You can get that Snoopy kit for $5 at Five Below, okay? This next kit I purchased directly from the Diamond Dots website, I believe. Purchased this a little while back, so not sure if these are in stock. These types of things sell out quickly. These are stickers. And these were expensive. These were like $12 for this kit. They're vinyl stickers that I will most likely use in journaling. So looks like we got 2 different versions of Snoopy and Woodstock. And you have the kit here. And we just have a few colors. Looks like maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 5, 6, maybe 6 colors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So not bad at all. We have the instructions, the Diamond Dots instructions. And I love how they use the actual picture in the instructions for this one. And it looks like these canvases have some symbols, which was unnecessary. They could have just kept it as numbers. But it looks like we have symbols. I just think symbols are so unnecessary for small kids. Yeah, like why do we have all these symbols? I do not like symbols at all. But these should be pretty quick. So I will do these after I do my Snoopy kit from Five Below. And I will come back and show you the finished product. I will put these in my journal when I'm done. I'll be doing a separate video for actually journaling with my finished diamond art paintings. So stay tuned and I'll show you what it all turns out like. Okay, y'all, I finished Snoopy and I'm letting him cure. I did put some of the Hobby Lobby diamond painting glue on him. I love the way he turned out. He does have a film on the back if you get this, so remember to peel that off if you're going to use it for the stand. I'm not. I love how they chose the shiny gemstones for his body instead of just regular white gemstones. I love that that all the drills are shiny. So I will let this sit and I will be using this in my journal. I love how he turned out. This was very easy and very therapeutic to do. It didn't take any time. It feels like this is the quickest diamond painting project I've ever done. Like, it was just so quick. I loved how there weren't many colors and most of the color was just his body. I just flew through it and watched some of my favorite YouTube creators and just zoned out and had a really good time doing this. This flew by. I really, really enjoyed it. So I would definitely recommend getting this one from Five Below. I did go ahead and kit up my other Diamond Dots stickers that I'm planning to do next. There are only 6 colors in this kit, which is perfect. So I kitted up using this Hobby Lobby tray. This is my first time using the Hobby Lobby trays. I don't like that there aren't covers over the trays. When I bought a bunch of these, I thought there were covers over them, but they're not. They're open. And I did go ahead and keep the number of the drill here just in case I needed it. In this case, I don't, because they're all different, very distinct colors. They did give you a small key, but as you can see, white is going to be white, black is going to be black, yellow is going to be yellow. So you don't really need a key, but this is the perfect type of kit to use this Hobby Lobby tray organizer for. And it does snap, so let me snap this. So it snapped even with those extra pages at the bottom. I would not just shake this because the drills will mix together, I feel like, because it's open. So I won't just, I wouldn't just toss this around. But this is perfect to just sit on my table until I return tomorrow morning to start on these stickers, which should hopefully be pretty quick. And then I'll show you how those turn out. So I think this Hobby Lobby tray organizer is perfect for small projects and perfect for projects where you have to use the same gem packets across all canvases. So they didn't package separate gems for separate stickers in this kit. All the gems were together and they're used across all 3 stickers. So when you have a situation like this, it's best to go ahead and kit it up for even small projects. Okay, guys, I finally finished my Snoopy acrylic piece. I love that he is sparkly. I have him pinned in my journal here. I have this double-sided adhesive sheet that I'm going to plan to use to stick him down. So I have this in the journal to remind myself to do that. So we have Snoopy completed. I'm not going to put him on his stand. I am going to journal with him. And then we have the other Snoopies and Woodstock completed here. And these are just so darling. These were very quick and easy to complete. I did use my Hobby Lobby tray here to kit up. I don't really like this particular system. The drills did slide around, even just moving this container slightly. They do slide around and mix together sometimes. There is a hole here. You see this little opening here to where you can pour out the drills there into the containers. So I do like that about these, but this is definitely not my favorite kitting up system. And I mean, if you only have 6 colors or less, I feel like this is a good kitting up system for a smaller project, but I think I'm going to end up using these containers for my beads and like bead organizing when I'm making pins and stuff. But definitely not my favorite kitting up system at Hobby Lobby. I wish that the trays had tops. That would have made this truly a top tier system if all the trays came with tops and then we had the lid that closed there. But I did roll the brayer over all of these, and I did seal all of these with my Hobby Lobby diamond painting glue. I'm going to put these in my journal to journal with as well, and I will be keeping my packaging to use in my logbook. I'm planning to make a logbook for the day that I finish all of these, to just log the dates that I've been working on all of these diamond paintings. I'm going to put my leftover drills in these until I mix them all up together. I'm still kind of putting them in their own cases until I'm ready to just mix everything together. But I love how these came out. I love how quick and easy these were. These were not stressful at all. Woodstock is my favorite. And if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some snowflakes in the comments, since these cutie pies are dressed up for snow. And I will see you in the next Diamond Painting Diaries. Thanks for watching.